Christmas in New York, Rio Carnival in Brazil, and the La Tomatina festival in Spain summed up cannot beat the Durga Puja celebration. Being a Bengali, I can go on talking about Durga Puja the whole day. Hello, I am Titash and you are watching Bharat Gadget. So today, in this video, I am gonna talk about Durga Puja, how West Bengal celebrates it, and so on and so forth. Celebrated in the month of September or October, Durga Puja spans 10 days filled with packed, elaborate rituals, creativity and innovations. Durga Puja is a celebration of divine feminine power and victory over the evil demon Mahishasur, who was blessed not to be defeated by any man or god. Each day of Durga Puja is full of rituals and customs with different significance. In West Bengal, the real celebration starts months in advance. The month preceding Durga Puja is always hectic. Preparation involves shopping for new clothes, making pandals and so on and so forth. Witnessing the city and its people gearing up for the grand festival is as exciting as the festival itself. The morning starts with the sound of dhak and the night ends with the smell of dhunuchi. A beautiful gathering of family and friends is another highlight of Durga Puja festival. We all know festival brings people and family and friends closer. Likewise, during Durga Puja, Bengalis spend most of their time with near and dear ones through long adda session at various puja mandaps. This session allows them to take a break from the hectic schedule, enjoy the company of their loved ones and relive their childhood memories with food, gossiping, family and friends. Can any celebration get better than this? The idols are being prepared several months before the celebration, except one part, the eye. The eyes are drawn on Mahalaya, the day before the 10-day festival commences. This ritual is popularly known as Chokhudan, which signifies the invitation of the goddess to earth with her daughter Lakshmi and Saraswati and sons Ganesha and Kartik. Kumartuli or Potas locality is a famous place in North Kolkata where a majority of the idols are made. In recent years, the idols are placed in the pandals from the first day onward, with procession making the beginning of the carnival, though traditionally the idols were only placed in the pandals from 6th day onward, that is Shoshti. Visiting the puja pandals, especially during night, is a must for every Durga Puja lover. And this pandal hopping lasts for 10 days with the snaking queues. The ritual starts with bathing of Kolabo into the holy Ganges. The whole town turns bright and beautiful, especially at night during festival. Pushpanjali is one of the most auspicious rituals where people wake up early in the morning and get dressed in new ethnic wears. Normally people fast until they are done with Pushpanjali and break the fast with feast upon bhog, which is essentially the food served for and blessed by the goddess. Kumari Puja, where girls aged 7 to 9 are dressed as goddess and worshipped, is also a unique ritual performed on the 8th day, that is Ashtami. Durga Puja is not only about rituals and customs but also about 10 days of feast upon the fantastic food. To relish the authentic flavor of lip-smacking Bengali cuisine, Durga Puja is the best time to visit Kolkata. From street food to special Bengali dishes and local cuisine, you can find everything you wish to relish on your plate. Various restaurants across the city serve special Durga Puja food, which is a must-try for every food lover. 9 days festivity seems to pass by quickly during Durga Puja. After the crazy and endless celebration comes Vijayadashami, the last day of Durga Puja. Another ritual, Sidur Khala, is performed on the last day of Puja, that is on Dashami, where married women apply Sidur to goddess Durga before smearing it on each other's face, followed by the farewell rituals where the idol is being immersed into the holy Ganga water. With a heavy heart, we all bid painful goodbyes to the idol with a slogan in everyone's mouth, that is আসছে বছর আবার হবে, which shows preciously our eagerness for the next year celebration. Durga Puja reflects the depth and richness of Indian culture. I must say, the best way to understand the festival is to get a hand-on-hand experience in Kolkata. Hope you enjoyed my video. If so, please like and subscribe to our channel, and Shubho Sharodiya.